Hi everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to blow dry your hair quickly. No need for comb or fancy stuff, it is just drying your hair guys. So if you guys are having difficulty drying your long hair, then keep watching the video because it is going to be a very interesting video guys. So like the video now only. If you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe. Without any further ado, let's get the video started.
Okay guys, I'm going to use this cheap hair dryer. I had bought this for around 1000 bucks, but it works like charm guys. If you want one, then I will put a link of it in the description below. You can go there and check it out. So before I blow dry my hair, I towel dry my hair, and once I'm done towel drying, then I come and do the blow drying. I will be not drying my hair in this video, but I'm just showing you guys how I blow dry my hair when I have head bath. So the first thing that I do is I get all my hair on one side like this, and I dry the wettest part of the hair first, because after towel drying your hair ends are the wettest, because the water drains from your hair and get accumulated at the ends. So once I'm done drying my ends, I blow the hair dryer on this part and I dry this part of my hair. And when I'm holding my hair like this, I blow the hot air on the back of my head like this and dry that part as well. And once that part is dry, I again shift to this part. Now once I'm done on this side, I repeat the same process on the other side as well. So I hold all my hair like this on this side now. I dry the ends first, and by now your ends are almost dry. You just have to dry out the little bit of wetness which is there in the ends. Once you are done with that, dry this part. Also blow the air on the back of the head on this side now. So once I'm done with this process, the next thing that I do is I get all my hair on one side like this, and I start to dry the sides like this. This is important because sometimes your hair stay wet on the sides and you can miss them out. Once I'm done with one side, I put all my hair on the other side now, and I start to dry on this side now. The important part is keep your hair dryer moving like how I'm moving here, and it will dry your hair out evenly. So once I'm done doing both these sides, the next thing that I do is I get all my hair on the front like this, and I dry this part now. And when all my hair are in front, I blow dry the back side like this. So once I'm done with all of this, I just comb my hair with my fingers, and I keep blowing the hot air on the top of the head now. Also when I comb my hair with my fingers, I can make out where they are wet, and accordingly I can blow dry that part. Now the last thing that I do is I get all my hair in front like this, and I start to blow dry like this. Now this you must not do for a long time. This you can do when all your hair are already dry. This is only done to take out the little moisture which is there inside of your hair. Because if you stay like this for a long time, your neck will start to pain, and it can have a bad impact on your backbone. So don't stay like this for long. Make a quick blow dry and finish it off. And with that, I'm done blow drying my hair.
Guys, it take me around 7 to 8 minutes to dry my hair. But before I use the hair dryer, I towel dry my hair for around 3 minutes before moving on to the blow dryer. Now guys, I have thick hair. You guys know that already. So for those guys who have short hair, the process will be a lot quicker. Also, if you have a more powerful hair dryer than this, then you can cut down more on the drying time. So now if you guys have any questions, or if you guys know any quicker way to dry your hair, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, I'll take care.